Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. One second, let me just connect my headphone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ayman. Good morning, Daisel.
Good
How are
morning,
you guys
ma'am.
doing?
What?
How are you guys doing?
I did the quiz that.
Okay, Ayman. Yes, I'm able to see you now. Ayman, did you work on your thought of the day?
Well, I didn't got the topic. I was making the project, but I didn't got the topic to do.
What topic you need for the thought of the day? It is a thought.
Like what I didn't know how. I know how to do, but
Amila presented one before you for an example, as an example. So you don't know it's an excuse. Any thought you could have taken from Google. That will keep you in a black star. You know that, right? That is going to get you a black star.
I know the word, but I tried my whole time.
You know that is going to cost you a black star. So this is your second black star, Iman. That is not good. Right now you have two black star and only one golden star. That too for doing the activity which was given in class. Laser.
Yeah,
Okay, you can present yours first, then we will give you the star. Okay?
I will take it, ma'am.
Okay.
There's only one kid today.
That's
One
what I'm
student.
also. No one else is there for assembly. That is not good. Maybe they have to join first class is also me only.
Okay. Ma'am,
Yes.
I copied the link. I copied the link.
Where is it?
That isn't available.
You're not having. Where's your quiz? That's my question. Later. Okay, let's see. You've done in Gimkit? We don't want to play in the morning. Okay, let's do one thing. For this,
Which
we need a.
planet is the nearest to the sun?
I mean, which planet do you think is the nearest to the sun?
Uh, Jupiter.
Nearest to the sun? Do you remember the order of planets?
I don't remember it.
Mercury.
It's wrong. It's wrong. Mercury.
I mean, you need to study a little more, okay? First, Pluto was a planet. Scientists think it is too small, so they made Pluto into a dwarf planet.
Mm-hmm.
I know the answer. I mean, do you know the answer?
Uh, it's so.
Is it
What's
true? Okay, Lisa, let's do one thing. Let's wait for the others to come and do the quiz. Let others as well come. Also,
Okay, ma'am.
I mean, could you turn on your camera, dear? See, guys, I have shared the lesson note. Please go through it because planets order are something you have to know. Okay, Ayman?
Okay.
Yesterday we did the order in chat box. Yesterday you were able to put that order. So how did you put it? Did you copy it from somewhere?
No, copied from G1.
Do you remember yesterday in the chat box we put the order of planets?
A, A, like we all.
Everyone put it. I'll give you one small task. Okay? Learn this
Okay.
order. Mercury, Venus. I'll give you 2 minutes. Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Why Amila didn't join for assembly, Amila?